Hello, I'm Timothy and I'm going to show you another of LessonUp's great AI tools. This time we're going to go to Summarise Text. So one way to get to it is to go to the AI tools, and then we have here as an option, I'm in the way slightly, but Summarise Text, you can see it there. So we can put that in. We're given this page. This is similar to the Summarise website function, but it's obviously more specific. So if I go to this page about the three-toed sloth, we can actually take this whole section here, and let's copy that in, and then we'll put it into here. Okay, so we have this, then we can have it as one paragraph. We'll have it like that. We'll have, what level should we go for this time? Let's go for GCSE Foundation and Summarise Text. We can change the language options here if we want to too, including others, so we can specify one that's not on the list. So we've got a nice little summary here of it. So that's very quick and easy to do. We can copy that, we can click this and integrate it into a lesson straight away. The other way we can use this Summarise Text function is if we jump into a lesson I've prepared earlier. So this is an importance of being earnest presentation that I've put up before. So this is an old PowerPoint I uploaded and converted and used for demo purposes. So with this we can actually go here, but we can go to our little friend the robot over here, click on this, and the first option we have at the top there is Summarise Text. So we can click on that, and because I've already clicked on it here, it's already appeared in this whole thing. So we can decide to shorten this down. We can just have it as, let's just say 20-word summary. We can have it like that, and then we can choose again the level. Let's put it down for foundation this time. Actually no, this was an A-level text. I'm going to stick with A-level, and then click on that, and we have a really nice little short answer there. We can click this and we can replace it. We've got it now into the actual PowerPoint. And looking at this old, so it was an old PowerPoint, looking at this old PowerPoint I made years ago, it is too heavy on the information. So making it now, if I want to go and update it and put interactive features into it in LessonUp, I can. But the basic part of it is that I've just got too much information on each slide. So I can use this to really quickly reduce that heavy text nature of what I actually had on it. So really useful there. So I can replace it, I can do that, I can add this text, I can add it as a separate slide if I wanted to as well. So you can click on that, and now it's appeared as an extra slide. With all of these things, if you don't like it or you make a mistake, the undo button is your friend, and now it's all back. So that is Summarise Text, another really useful function of LessonUp with integrated AI. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.